Hello, welcome to our channel Brightknowledge-Healthy Living. Are you a fan of fluffy upma, crispy jalebis, or maybe a warm halwa that melts in your mouth? Then you're already a Suji lover. But have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you make this golden semolina a daily staple? On today's Bright Knowledge Healthy Living adventure, we're diving deep into the world of Suji. We'll explore its nutritional powerhouse, uncover its potential health benefits, and address any downsides to consider. Today, we're diving into the heart of one of the kitchen's unsung heroes, semolina, or as many of us know it, Suji. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, join us on this journey as we unravel the mysteries and unveil the delights that this versatile ingredient has to offer. Have you ever wondered about the incredible transformation Suji undergoes in the pot or pan? Or perhaps you're curious about the impact it can have on your health when included in your daily meals? Well, you're in the right place. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delightful culinary adventures. Now, without further ado, let's embark on a journey through the wonderful world of Suji. Get ready to elevate your kitchen game and tantalize your taste buds. Semolina, that golden, coarse flour made from durum wheat, holds a special place in culinary traditions worldwide. In India, it's known as Suji, and its versatility translates into comforting upma, sweet halwa, and crispy pakoras. But what happens when this beloved ingredient becomes a daily staple? Does indulging in bowls of Suji-based delights every day bring a cornucopia of health benefits, or could it lead to unwanted side effects? Let's embark on a culinary journey to understand the impact of daily Suji consumption on your body. Nutritional landscape, unveiling the power of Suji. Suji boasts a surprisingly robust nutritional profile. It's a good source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout the day. Its high fiber content promotes gut health, aiding digestion and regulating blood sugar levels. Additionally, Suji is packed with protein, essential for building and repairing tissues. The mineral kingdom doesn't disappoint either, with Suji offering iron for healthy red blood cell production, magnesium for muscle function and relaxation, and phosphorus for strong bones and teeth. B vitamins like folate and thiamine further contribute to energy metabolism and nerve function. Dancing with the heart, the high fiber and magnesium content in Suji can work wonders for your heart health. Studies suggest that incorporating whole grains like Suji into your diet can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol and improve blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Taming the blood sugar beast. The glycemic index of Suji is relatively low, meaning it releases sugars slowly into your bloodstream. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes, making it a good choice for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Keeping weight in check, the filling fiber and protein in Suji can keep you feeling satisfied for longer, reducing your overall calorie intake and potentially aiding weight management. Additionally, studies show that high-fiber diets can decrease the absorption of dietary fat, further contributing to weight control. Fueling your fitness, the protein and essential minerals in Suji provide the building blocks and catalysts for muscle growth and repair. This makes it a valuable pre- or post-workout food, supporting your fitness journey. Building strong bones, Suji's rich supply of phosphorus and magnesium, along with its vitamin D content, when fortified, is vital for bone health and can help prevent osteoporosis, especially in older adults. The thorny side, exploring potential downsides. While Suji offers a plethora of benefits, overindulgence or disregarding individual sensitivities can lead to drawbacks. Gluten woes. Suji contains gluten, a protein that poses problems for individuals with celiac disease, triggering adverse gut reactions. Digestive discomfort. The high fiber content, while beneficial, can cause bloating, gas, and constipation in some individuals, especially if they're not accustomed to a high fiber diet. Weight gain if unbalanced. Despite its filling nature, excess Suji consumption can still lead to weight gain if coupled with an overall high-calorie diet. Moderation is key. blood sugar spikes in certain cases, while generally good for blood sugar control. Suji dishes prepared with added sugars and unhealthy fats can contribute to spikes in individuals with sensitive glucose levels. Potential allergic reactions. For some individuals, suji can trigger allergic reactions, ranging from mild skin irritation to more severe respiratory problems. Striking the balance, navigating the suji symphony. So, should you banish suji from your kitchen entirely? Not. The key lies in moderation and incorporating it into a balanced diet. Here are some tips for healthy suji consumption. Limit your daily intake. Stick to reasonable portions, such as half cup of cooked suji per meal. Variety is key, don't rely solely on suji. Include other whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources in your diet for a complete nutritional spectrum. Mind the preparation, opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or stir-frying instead of deep frying. Minimize added sugars and unhealthy fats in your suji dishes. Listen to your body, pay attention to how your body reacts to suji consumption. If you experience any uncomfortable digestive symptoms or suspect an allergy, consult a healthcare professional. The final bite, embrace the suji journey. Semolina, like any food, comes with both benefits and considerations. By approaching it with awareness and practicing moderation, you can reap the nutritional rewards of suji while avoiding potential downsides. So, explore the endless culinary possibilities of this versatile ingredient, from savory salads to sweet puddings, and enjoy the journey. Hey bright minds! That's all for today's video on what happens to your body when you eat suji every day. We hope you found it informative and helpful. In summary, suji is a nutritious and versatile ingredient that can offer a variety of health benefits. However, it's important to consume it in moderation and be aware of any potential downsides. Here are a few tips for healthy suji consumption. Limit your daily intake to half cup of cooked suji. Variety is key. Don't rely solely on suji. Include other whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein sources in your diet. Opt for healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or stir-frying instead of deep frying. Minimize added sugars and unhealthy fats in your suji dishes. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts to suji consumption. If you experience any uncomfortable digestive symptoms or suspect an allergy, consult a healthcare professional. So, go forth and enjoy the deliciousness of suji. Just remember to do so in moderation and with awareness. Until next time, stay bright and healthy.